Sorry, hi.
Hi, who's this?
Hi Mo. Hi Alex. Hi Sam.
Hello. What's your name?
Yeah, this is Bien from QC.
Hi, Bien from QC.
Ben, how are you?
Yeah, I'm so glad I was able to contact you guys. Gusto ko lang mag-hi kay Alex. Manunod ako ng show mo sa Camelot.
Uy, nice.
Did you go with your boyfriend or is just by yourself when you went there?
So I'm gonna go with my wife.
What? Imposter. Does she know?
No,
Uy, manood sa akin yan.
Hindi ko kayo marinig eh. Wait lang ha, lakasan ko ha. Ayun.
Customer ko yan. Uy,
anyway,
Sorry.
so
you need-
after na show mo, mag-check-in kami sa Camelot. So okay na yun, di ba?
Tama.
Pati din boyfriend mo sa kabilang room.
So anyway, ano nga pala yung topic? Kanina nasa Paris tayo kanina, di ba?
Boyfriend mo is the topic. No, do you travel based on your need to populate your Instagram feed?
Not me, but my wife. Actually, when we go travel, itong past 3 weeks, galing kami Baler, LU, and saan ba yung isa kanina? Nueva Ecija. But when it comes to traveling, yung wife ko lang talaga yung nagtitake ng pictures and everything. Ako, alam mo na, nasa beach lang ako umiinom. Parang ganun lang. Wala ako sa topic. Gusto ko lang talaga mag-hi kay Alex.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, nice.
See you, pare.
See you sa...
Ilan ba kayo? Ilan kayo manonood?
Don't...
Ilan kayo manonood?
Oo nga.
Marami kami, mga dalawa.
Ayos, sige.
A fellow comedian.
I'll book it right now. Mo, you're
Yes.
my idol. Pero hindi ako magpapatato ng Mo Twister ha, pero idol kita.
Thank you, sir. Appreciate you. Have a good day. Thanks.
All right.
Love you.
Bye. Thanks.
Bye.
I mean, it started off pretty gay. I mean, come on, you gotta give me that, though, right?
Oh, napaka-judgmental naman. Tao din sa playback. Nababasa na sa... Pare, see you ha. Bili ka ng ticket. Camelot. Kasi yung Camelot kasi, isang lumang hotel yon na medyo kilala sa mga, alam mo na, malapit sa ABS-CBN. Kaya medyo rin-revive namin yung image na it's just not a hotel
Oh,
anymore.
it's a hotel like in QC.
Yeah, Camelot Hotel. It's para ano siya, palasyo. Ang ganda, Instagrammable. Very Instagrammable.
Talaga?
Oo.